are going to love the 2007 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.